on a matrices. First on the addition of a matrices. If A is equal to Aij, it is one matrix here. B is equal to Bij, it is one more matrix. Two matrices of the same order. This is important here. Two matrices having the same order, say M into N. Then the sum of two matrices A and B is defined as a matrix C is equal to Cij, whose order is again M into N only, where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij for all possible values of I and J. Means two matrices can be added if they are having the same order here, and you have to add corresponding elements here. That is important. I am explaining one example here. Take here A is equal to the matrix here 1, 2, 3, then 0, 5, minus of 4. It is a one matrix here. Its order is a 2 into 3 here. Its order is a 2 into 3 because 2 row and 3 columns are there. Take one more matrix here. B is equal to minus 5, 4, then 2 here, 1, minus 2, plus 3 here. This is one more matrix here. It's again order 2 into 3 only. Okay. So both are having the same order here, 2 into 3. Then we can add it here. Hence, addition of matrices here. A plus B is equal to, add the corresponding element here. 1 must be added with this here. So 1 minus 5 here. So right here 1 minus 5. Then 2 plus 4. So right here 2 plus 4 here. Then 3 plus 2. So right here 3 plus 2. Next 0 plus 1. So it is a 0 plus 1 here. Then 5 minus 2 here. So right here 5 minus 2, minus 4 plus 3 here. It is a minus of 4 plus 3. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to, here 1 minus 5 becomes a minus 4 here. It is a minus 4. 2 plus 4 is a 6 here. It is a 6. 3 plus 2 becomes a 5. Then 0 plus 1 becomes 1. 5 minus 2, it is a 3 here. And minus 4 plus 3 becomes a minus of 1 here. Okay. So after addition, you will get one more matrix here. Again its order is a 2 into 3 only. So A is a matrix of order 2 into 3. B is a matrix of order 2 into 3. Then its addition is also a matrix of order 2 into 3. So therefore, you can add two matrices if they are having the same order here. Similarly, according to the subtraction also. Okay, here A and B, these are the matrices here. Then you can subtract the two matrices here. Even here also, the order must be same here. That is important here. So 1 minus of minus 5 here. 1 minus of minus 5. Then 2 minus 4. So it is a 2 minus of 4 here. Then 3 minus 2. It is a 3 minus 2. Then 0 minus 1 here. It is a 0 minus 1. 5 minus 2. So it is a 5 minus of 2 here. Then minus 4 minus 3. So minus 4 minus of 3 here. Therefore this is equal to, here minus into minus becomes a plus here. So 1 plus 5 becomes a 6 here. 2 minus 4, it is a minus 2 here. So it is a minus 2. 3 minus 2, it is a 1. 0 minus 1 is a minus 1 here. Minus of minus becomes plus here. 5 plus 2 becomes a 7. So right here 7. Minus 4 minus 3 is a minus of 7. Okay. So after subtraction, you will get one more matrix here. Even its order is a 2 into 3 here. Therefore, for both addition and subtraction, the order must be same here. A and B are having the same order. Then only you can add the matrices or you can subtract the matrices, and you will get one more matrix of having a same order here. Okay, so these are examples here. Okay. Second here, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Okay, if A is equal to Aij is a matrix of order m into n, is a matrix and k is a scalar quantity here. K is a scalar, then k into A, another matrix which is obtained by multiplication of each element by A by the scalar quantity k. Okay. Similarly, negative of a vector, the negative of a vector is denoted by minus a. We define minus a is equal to minus 1 into a. Okay. Therefore, I am taking one example here. Consider a is equal to 3, 2, 5, 1, minus 4, minus of 3 here. It is one matrix here. Its order is 3 into 2 here. Okay, 3 rows are there and 2 columns. Hence, it is order 3 into 2 here. I am taking one scalar quantity here. Take a 3 here. 3 is a scalar quantity. Therefore, I am multiplying 3 with this matrix here. 3 into A is equal to, so 3 into the matrix 3, 2, 5, 1, minus 4, minus 3 here. There is. Okay. So 3 into this matrix here. Take this 3 inside here, means multiply each element by this 3 here. Therefore, this is equal to 3 into 3 becomes 9 here. 3 into 2 becomes 6. 3 into 5, 15. It is 15 here. 3 into 1 becomes 3. 3 into 4, 12 here. It is a minus of 12. 3 is 9. It is a minus of 9 here. So again, after multiplication, you will get one more matrix here. Its order is 3 into 2 only. Okay, it is a scalar multiplication of scalar with a matrix A. Okay, therefore A is a one matrix. Is a matrix and K is a scalar quantity. Then K into A is another matrix, which is another matrix here. Okay, it is another matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of A by the scalar quantity K. So here we are multiplying each element by the scalar quantity 3 here. Therefore, we get one more matrix here. We will get the same order 3 into 2 here. So for this here, take the same matrix here. Then the minus of here. Minus A means minus of this matrix here. So it is a 3, 2, then a 5, 1, minus 4, minus 3 here. Okay. So take this minus inside here. Please multiply each element by, here it is a minus here. So therefore this is equal to, it becomes minus 3 here. It is a minus of 2. It is a minus of 5. Minus of 1 here. Minus into minus becomes a plus. Plus 4. Minus into minus becomes plus 3 here. Again its order is 3 into 2 here. Okay, it is a negative of the matrix. Negative of a matrix here. The negative of a matrix is denoted by minus A. We define minus A is equal to minus 1 into A here. Means you are multiplying each element by this minus 1 here. Okay, multiplying each element by minus 1, we get one more matrix of the same order 3 into 2 only. Okay, next the properties of matrix addition. First one is the commutative law. Here A and B two matrices of the same order, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Second one, associative law. Here three matrices you have to take care, A, B and C. So having a same order, that is important. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus in bracket B plus C. Next, existence of additive identity. A is a one matrix here and O is a null matrix. So both are having a same order here. In that case, A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A. then this is called O is called additive identity. Existence of additive inverse is one matrix here, and minus A is negative of the matrix here. Then A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A is equal to the null matrix O. Here minus A is called additive inverse. Next, the properties of scalar multiplication of the matrix here. A and B be two matrices of the same order. K and L are the scalar quantities here. Then K into A plus B is equal to K into A plus K into B. K into A plus K into B. Next, K plus L into A is equal to K into A plus L into A. These are the properties of scalar multiplication of the matrix here.